Find the common teammate. Zlatan, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Lorenzo Insigne.
It's not Lavezzi. I was gonna go. Is it Lavezzi?
No.
Di Maria?
No, he never played with Insigne.
For some reason, I was Insigne. Argentinian. So Italiano. So it means that he is Italian or has played a lot in Serie A. Serie A.
Yeah, he played a little bit of everywhere. Where did he play with Insigne?
In Napoli.
Yeah.
And Cristiano Ronaldo in Juventus.
No.
In Real.
No.
In United.
Yeah.
Of course. Och Diego Forlan. No.
He's from the same
area.
country
Yeah.
as Forlan.
Cavani.
Yeah.